Hey guys, I'm MICHAELJOSH, and you're watching GadgetMatch. It was just the other day when Samsung unveiled its Galaxy Note 20 series. And I don't know about you, but as a longtime Note fan, the Note 20 Ultra is giving me all the feels, which is why I'm pretty excited to be unboxing one today. Because that means I can take it out of the box, start using it, and start reviewing it. And I know a lot of you have sent in questions, and I promise to answer all of them in my review video, which is dropping on August 18th. So mark your calendars and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell and all those awesome stuff. Be a Matchketeer, tell others about this channel, and help us get to our next goal of 1 million subscribers. All right, let's get on with our Galaxy Note 20 Ultra unboxing. Here it is, black box as per usual, with the letters N20 printed up front, just like it says S20 on the S20 Ultra's box. Imagine if this phone was actually called the N20. Anyhow, from the color of this S Pen, you can probably tell which color we got. So let's lift up the lid, and you guessed it, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in Mystic Bronze. Moving on, I always made this mistake, but I'm not this time. Nestled inside the cover is this box, with a SIM tray ejector and a quick start guide. With that out of the way, we can now lift on this cardboard separator to see what else is inside. 25-watt super fast charger and USB-C to USB-C cable. Samsung tells me that at least in the US, they will not be bundling the usual AKG wired earphones. Probably a way to encourage people to get the new Galaxy Buds Live. All right, let's take a closer look at the phone. Figured we'd do a little Note 20 Ultra versus Note 10 Plus segment. From the front, they're actually very similar. Diagonally, the display on the Note 20 Ultra is just 0.1 of an inch longer than its predecessor. It's got the same punch hole selfie camera in the top middle, albeit the cutout is smaller. Just a tiny bit of bezel is peeking up here and down here, but otherwise, its display is flushed against its curved edges. Its back is similarly curved, but gone is that high gloss reflective finish of this Aura Glow Note 10 Plus. The Mystic Bronze Note 20 Ultra has a matte finish. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how lovely this color is? Samsung talked about how they wanted to exude elegance and sophistication, and the Note 20 Ultra, especially in this Mystic Bronze color, really does that. I'm not sure how bronzy the color actually is. It's definitely not copper, and I only took home gold medals when I competed back in school, so I'm not really so sure what bronze looks like. From this angle, man, that camera bump has grown too, partially because of the periscope mechanism that gives the Note 20 Ultra its 5x zoom lens. There's also been a reshuffling of elements. Buttons are now all on the right-hand side, and the S Pen is now on the left-hand side, which is a bit of an inconvenience if you're a righty. Now, this is just me speculating, but I assume that's because of the size of this camera module. They probably weren't able to carve out enough space on this side for the S Pen. I get it, it's an engineering challenge, and hopefully one day they can come up with a solution. Finally, up top is the SIM card slot. Popping it open, you'll also find provisions for a micro SD card. It's worth mentioning though that this is only on the Note 20 Ultra and not the regular Note 20. Because we didn't have a lot of time for a proper hands-on in our last video, there are a couple of things that I want to try. Beginning with those new air gestures with the S Pen. Let's see if I can remember them. A greater than sign to open the multitasking menu, a less than sign to go back, a caret to go home, and a squiggle to take a screen capture. Now, I'm still trying to figure out a practical application of these new air gestures. Let me know if you can figure something out in the comments section below. I also kind of want to see Samsung Notes in action. In our last video, I talked about how the audio bookmark feature is the feature that I'm most excited about. So let's give it a try. Basically, it lets you record clips while taking notes, and then you can search for an exact soundbite by tapping on the word you jotted down when that quote was spoken. One more feature that I want to test out, because a lot of you have been asking in the comments, is that wireless DeX feature. Apparently, it supports any TV or monitor with Miracast built in. So let's see if it works on mine. Yes, it does. It recognizes my LG NanoCell TV. Awesome. We'll have to do more tests soon. For those who haven't watched my Galaxy Note 20 series introduction, you should definitely click up here to watch that. But here's a brief recap of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's camera specs. A 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 108 megapixel wide camera, and a 12 megapixel 5x telephoto periscope camera. Now, I can't wait to take this phone out into the real world for some extensive testing and comparing and reviewing, but for now, enjoy some initial shots I've taken using the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. First, using the wide angle camera, the main camera during the day, and at night, and finally, the telephoto camera at 5x optical zoom. And all the way up to 50x, or what Samsung calls space zoom. And that was our Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra unboxing and hands-on. We're keeping this video brief because, as you know, we're working on an in-depth review video. To make sure you don't miss that, dropping on August 18, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.